In this video, I'll show you how to coil a bandsaw blade. Folding or coiling a bandsaw blade can be challenging as it's made of sharp metal. The first step is to get the blade out of the machine and ensure that you have a clean and spacious workspace to fold the blade properly. Clear any obstructions that could interfere with the process. Also wear cut-resistant gloves to protect your hands from sharp blades. Start by holding the bandsaw blade in front of you, ensuring the teeth face outward. This initial position will make it easier to manipulate the blade during the folding process. Place the bandsaw blade on the ground. Step on the blade firmly to secure it in place, preventing the blade from moving while you fold it. With the blade securely positioned on the ground, position your hands on the blade's opposite side, holding the blade facing the palm up. This offers a stable grip and control of the blade during folding. Slowly bring your hand down to the foot as you rotate the hand facing the palm down in its resting position. As you do it, the blade will start folding. If you're coiling a long blade, you'll have to turn the blade multiple times to fold it into a more manageable size. Keep your movements controlled and steady to avoid any sudden shifts or accidents. Once the blade is properly coiled, you can use a rubber band, zip tie, wire, or an adhesive strip to secure and prevent it from unraveling. Wrap the securing material tightly around the coil, ensuring it holds the blade firmly in place. Now store the bandsaw blade in a secure place. When storing multiple bandsaw blades, label each coil to identify the blade's measurement, as it will save you time when choosing the right blade for a woodworking job. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome woodworking content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.